Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set the best picture settings for movies on your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, let's go to settings, let's open all settings and then go to picture. Now in picture mode select movie and click yes. Now let's go to picture size settings, not picture size settings, but expert settings, and then let's adjust brightness. I recommend a lower brightness around 25, 20 to 25, but not too low, so the scenes don't look too dark, and the contrast should be moderate, so set it to around 25 too. Sharpness should be low, from 0 to 5, and the color should be moderate around 80 to 22. So let's go with 20. Now let's exit this menu, and now let's also adjust picture clarity settings. Select custom picture clarity settings, and here we should turn off the jitter reduction for cinematic feel. Also let's disable LED clear motion, and turn on the noise reduction. Now also let's if you can enable film mode, but it's only available when input signal is TV or HDMI with 1080i enabled. As the color tone, set warm to, and gamma should be 2 to 3 depending on what you feel better with, and that's basically enough. Now if you also want spatial sound, go to sound mode and select either adaptive sound or amplify, and also you can set up your speaker with your TV speaker, your external speaker, and your TV speaker, so that they can play at the same time in order to create an immersive experience. And if you're using a Samsung speaker, then you can use a Q-Symphony setup to set up your speaker, your Samsung speaker, so that it can play along with your TV. Or you can also go to general and privacy accessibility, and if you don't have a Samsung speaker but you have another Bluetooth speaker from a different brand, then you can enable multi-output audio by switching the toggle to the right and selecting the speaker from the list. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.